Hi, today I'll show you how you can create special promotions for your customers so they can spend their hard-earned loyalty points. Let's create a new rule. Let's name it. And right now we can pick if it's enabled or not, and how many points will spending how many points will activate the promotion. So let's say per 100 points I can see and then pick for which promotion it's going to be applied and activated after spending 100 points. I'm going to pick 10% discount on a t-shirt. That means that if your customer will spend 100 points, they will activate the promotion that will allow them to have 10% discounts on all the t-shirts that they have in their cart. That's it. Thank you.